Little storyteller.
The sun smiled down on sunny castle. Sir Gideon, a brave knight with a bright blue shield and shiny silver boots, hummed a happy tune. His weapon wasn't a sword, but a giant paintbrush. It was as tall as he was, with soft, white bristles. Beside him sat buckets of paint in every color of the rainbow: sunshine yellow, sky blue, and cherry red. Suddenly, little gray shapes hopped over the castle wall. They were colorless gremlins. They were all the same dull gray, and they made no sound. They started to turn the colorful flowers gray with their touch. "Oh dear," said Sir Gideon. He dipped his giant paintbrush into a bucket of bright red paint. Swoosh! He painted a big, round circle of red in front of the gremlins. The colorless gremlins stopped. They looked at the bright red color with wide, surprised eyes. Next, Sir Gideon chose sunshine yellow. He painted a wiggly line. The gremlins giggled. It tickled their gray feet to walk on the bright yellow paint. Then Sir Gideon used sky blue to paint a swirly shape. The colorless gremlins had never seen so much color before. They started to chase each other through the blue swirls, leaving little gray footprints in the wet paint. Sir Gideon kept painting with all the colors. He painted happy green grass, bright orange stars, and lovely purple flowers. The colorless gremlins hopped and danced in all the colorful puddles. They were not gray anymore. Splashes of red, yellow, and blue covered them. They were now the colorful gremlins. The colorful gremlins loved their new colors. They smiled and made happy squeaky sounds. They looked at the flowers, now bright again, and danced with joy. Sir Gideon smiled too. He learned that sometimes all you need to solve a problem is a little bit of color and fun. Did you know that mixing red and yellow paint makes orange?
Please subscribe. Thank you.